I'm Amy Anderson and you're watching OptionRally TV. Join OptionRally and control your financial security. Click the link to get started now. Here's what's making money for June 28, 2013. Investors disappointed in Bernanke. U.S. employment not strong enough to break Canada. And lastly, gold sunsets by the 1200 line. Your profits are starting now. The dollar slid lower against most major currencies on Thursday after a key Federal Reserve official said stimulus programs will stay in place if the economy does not continue to improve. Surging U.S. home sales supported the dollar, though many investors avoided it to wait for fresh steering currents. The U.S. was doing quite well for the last 2 weeks as positive indicators were revealed. The bubble popped as the Fed disappointed investors by shying away from scaling back the bond buying program. Okay, have investors been disappointed for the last time? Let's get to the numbers. Euro dollar opened Thursday at 1.3008 and inched up to 1.3062, continuing this morning. Euro dollar traders today, OptionRally analysts recommend considering a call option when the price hits 1.3095 and to consider a put option when the price hits 1.3010. Okay, over in North America, U.S. jobless claims went down, which means more working Americans, a general positive effect for the U.S. dollar. However, the gains were ultimately forfeited as the bond buying program continued to sink the greenback. Jobless claims swung today in the U.S.'s favor over Canada, but Canada's strong economic outlook and stability rose it to the top as the U.S. battles its bond buying addiction. The numbers, the friendly border competition opened Friday at 1.0469 and dipped to 1.0462, continuing this morning. For trading today, it is recommended considering a call option when the price hits 1.0485 and to consider a put option when the price hits 1.0455. Gold futures continued to spiral lower in the early part of Friday, though the yellow metal remained above the psychologically important US dollar 1200 an ounce mark. Gold plunged Wednesday in the U.S. despite a disappointing GDP report that affirmed the notion that easing will remain in place for a foreseeable future. Gold opened Thursday at 1228.35 and plunged yet again, nesting in at 1204.55 this morning. For gold trading today, consider a call option when the price hits 1211.50 and to consider a down option when the price hits 1198.60. For today's Market Watch, Canada is ready to release its gross domestic product report. This measures the annualized change in the inflation-adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy. It is the broadest measure of economic activity and the primary indicator of the economy's health. Okay, Canada releases fresh GDP data on a monthly basis. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive for the Canadian dollar. Get ready to trade at 1:30 GMT today. And lastly, today is the final trading day for OptionRally's Trade-a-thon. Register now and get trading for your chances for $20,000 and a first-class flight to OptionRally headquarters. I'm Amy Anderson for your trading news and tips. Follow me Monday to Friday right here on my channel and at OptionRally.com. See you next week.